Okay, so welcome back. And in this example, we're going to do another sketch and we're going to solve graphically this system of equations. And now, if you look at these equations here, we could solve these by changing them both to y-intercept form and doing the same thing that we did in the last video. Or we can plot the y-intercepts and sketch the graphs that way. So let's do that. So if we look at the y-intercepts, of this one, so let's start with this one here, the top one. So if we set x equal to 0, right? So let's do this one. So x equal to 0 will give us 5y equals 10, which gives us y equals 2. So the y-intercept here is going to be 0, 2. And if we set y equal to 0, then we get 2x equals 10, and then x equals 5, and so we get 5, 0. And so if we plot these 2 points, we get 0, 2, and we get 5, 0. Okay, and if we connect these two, we get that line. And now if we do the same thing for the second one, so we start with x equals 0, so we're going to find the y-intercept. So x equals 0, then that gives us what? Negative y equals 6, or y equals negative 6, and so we get 0, negative 6, which is down here. And then if we do y equal to 0, to find the x-intercept, well, if y is equal to 0, then we get 3x is equal to 6, and so x equals 2, and so we're going to have 2, 0, and so 2, 0 is right here. And so if we plot this one, like so, we see that the intersection point is about there, and what would that be? So it's a little past 2 maybe? 2.5, 1, or maybe a little higher than 1. And again, my graph, sketching the graph is not the best. And what did they come up with? They came up with 2.3, 1.1. Okay, so which is about close, so it's a little above 1, and mine's a little further this way, but again, it's my sketch of my graph. It's not perfect. So based on this is what their estimate is, and we can kind of like test that, right? Just like we did in the last one. So if we put in 2.3 for x, so that's going to be 2 times 2.3 plus 5 times 1.1 equal to 10. And so here we get 4.6 plus 5.5. And on this side, what do we get? We get 10.1 is equal to 10. So which is pretty close. Okay? And then if we do the other one, we get 3 times 2.3 minus 1.1 equals 6. And so if we do this one, we get what? We get 6.9 minus 1.1 equal to 6. And so this we get 5.8 is equal to 6. And again, that's close. Okay? And that's it. So again, sometimes you're going to have to approximate. It's not going to come out with nice round numbers. Have a great day.